Tomorrow, you have something important, a meeting, an exam, a deadline, and you have to wake up early. So tonight, you promise yourself, I'm going to sleep early. You finish everything, get into bed, and then you pick up your phone. One video, two scrolls, just 5 minutes, boom, it's 3 a.m. Or maybe you do everything right. You lie down early, close your eyes, trying to sleep, but sleep just won't come. You try, check your phone, try again, check again, boom, 3 a.m. again. Somehow you fall asleep, but when morning comes, the morning you needed to wake up early, you force yourself out of bed. Your body feels heavy, your brain feels frozen. You slept, but you're still exhausted. And here's the thing, you're not the only one facing this. Millions of people go through this exact same struggle every single night. But at the same time, you'll notice something strange. There are people who sleep much less than you, yet wake up extremely energetic, focused, sharp, ready to go. How is that even possible? Yes, it's absolutely possible. Here's the truth. It's not about how many hours you sleep. It's about how well you sleep. Because when it comes to sleep, quality matters more than quantity. Some people sleep less, but wake up fresher than you after 8 hours. Why? Because they understand how sleep actually works. In this video, you'll learn how to take control of your sleep and how you can get the energy of 8 hours from just 4 to 6 hours. In this video, I'll show you how to sleep fewer hours and still wake up fresh, all backed by science. First, relax. You don't always need 8 to 9 hours. Your body doesn't just need more sleep, it needs better sleep. If you fix a few things, 5 hours can feel like 9. Let's break down the science. Point 1. Sleep mode activation. Don't try to sleep while your brain is still on. 30 minutes before bed, dim the lights, leave your phone, and slow things down. This tells your brain the day is over. When your mind shuts down earlier, you fall asleep faster and wake up fresher even with fewer hours. Point 2. A dark, cold, quiet room. Your room should feel like a cave. Dark, cool, 18 to 20 degrees centigrade, and quiet. Because your brain sleeps deeper when the environment tells it, it's night, it's safe, shut down. Fix your room and you'll need fewer hours to feel fully recharged. Point 3. Sleep cycles. Your sleep works in 90-minute cycles. Each cycle, light sleep, deep sleep, then REM. If you wake up in the middle of deep sleep, you'll feel horrible, even after 8 hours. Instead, wake up at the end of a cycle. Sleep in multiples of 90 minutes. 6 hours, 7.5 hours, 9 hours. This one change alone can make you wake up instantly fresher. Point 4. Morning movement equals instant alertness. Right after waking, don't stay in bed scrolling. Get your body moving for just 2 minutes. Do a few stretches, walk around, or splash cold water on your face. This small movement boosts blood flow, raises your heart rate, and tells your brain the day has started. That quick physical activation switches off sleep mode and turns on alertness naturally. You'll feel your energy rise much faster, even if you slept fewer hours. Point 5. Fixed sleep schedule. A fixed or consistent sleep schedule means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, including weekends, to regulate the body's internal clock. But why going to bed at the same time every night matters? Because the power of consistency. Your body runs on a 24-hour internal clock called the circadian rhythm. When you sleep at the same time every night, your brain knows exactly when to release sleep hormones. Result? Deeper sleep, faster recovery, more energy in less hours. But when your bedtime keeps changing, your hormones go out of sync. Your mood drops, your focus gets weaker, your sleep quality crashes. For example, two people sleep 7 hours. One sleeps randomly. One sleeps at the same time daily. Guess who wakes up fresh? The consistent sleeper. Consistent sleep improves heart health, boosts immunity, controls weight, sharpens memory, and reduces stress, all backed by science. Pick one bedtime. Stick to it even on weekends. Your body will do the rest. Now, let's level up. Here are some advanced tricks to make your sleep even more effective. Tip 1. Coffee timing. Don't drink coffee immediately. Wait 60 to 90 minutes after waking. Your natural energy rises first, then caffeine works better. Tip 2. Power nap. 10 to 20-minute nap. Afternoon only. Brain reset. Energy boost. Less sleep needed at night. Tip 3. Breathing trick. Before bed, try this breathing pattern. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. As you breathe out, let your shoulders drop and your body relax. This simple 4-7-8 breathing calms your nervous system, slows your heart rate, and helps you enter deep sleep much faster. Tip 4. Positive visualization before sleep. Before sleeping, try this. Imagine something that makes you genuinely happy. A goal achieved, a peaceful place, a perfect day. When your mind focuses on positive imagery, your stress level drops and your brain enters sleep mode faster. A relaxed mind falls into deeper sleep quicker, and deeper sleep means you wake up fresher, even with fewer hours. Sleeping less isn't the goal. Sleeping smarter is. When you fix your cycles, increase deep sleep, and control your mornings, you can sleep fewer hours and still wake up fresh. Tonight, try just one thing. Plan your sleep in 90-minute cycles. Tomorrow morning, you'll feel the difference. If you try any of these techniques, or have already tried some, let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. Like this video, guys, if you learned something new. And if you want more science-backed videos like this, subscribe to Driven Dan. Let's take control of your sleep.